We have a question like this: if the probability of a event A is 1 and probability of event B is 1 by 2, we have to find the probability of A by B and probability of B by A, and nothing else is given. So in this case, we know that we have a relationship P of A intersection B, it is equal to probability of A into probability of B. Okay. Similarly, some other formulas are probability of A by B is equal to probability of A intersection B upon probability of B is in the denominator, so probability of B. Similarly, probability of B by A is equal to probability of A intersection B over probability of A. So these are all the formulas. I think with the help of these formulas now you can easily solve the question. So firstly I am going to find out the value for probability of A intersection B, and we get 1 into 1 by 2, which is equals to 1 by 2. Now putting these values in the first equation, we can easily find the probability of A by B, which is equal to probability of A intersection B, that is 1 by 2, and probability of B is we have 1 by 2. So we get ultimately the answer 1. Similarly, if we have to find the probability of B by A, now probability of intersection of A by B is 1 by 2 and probability of A we get 1. So here its answer is 1 by 2. So these are known as the relationship of Bayes' theorem. Now this question is based on the Bernoulli trials. If a fair coin is tossed 4 times, what is the probability that 2 heads and 2 tails will result? As I told you, this question is based on the Bernoulli trial. Now what is the formula there for that? NCR, PR, Q and minus R, where N is the total number of events, R is the number of events that occur, P is the success and Q is the failure. Okay, probability of failure. Now here in this case, the coin is tossed. So probability of success for coming head is 1 by 2 and probability of failure for coming tail is 1 by 2. Now next thing, the coin is tossed 4 times. That means here the value of N is 4. Okay. So we get, there are 2 heads and 2 tails. That means 4C2 and P is the success, and here we put the value of R, that is 1 by 2 over 2, and similarly for the tail we have 1 by 2, 4 minus 2. Ultimately what we have, 4C2, 1 by 2 to the power 2, 1 by 2 to the power 2. So we get 4C2, 1 to the power 2 to the power 4. I think you can solve the value of the 4C2. If you don't remember, I am just giving you the format. NCR is equal to factorial N upon factorial R, N minus R factorial. So from here, if we solve this, we get 4 factorial over factorial 2 and here also 2 factorial. So when we solve, we get 4 into 3 into factorial 2 over factorial 2 into 2. So this is get cancelled, this is 2, and ultimately we get 6. So from here we get 6 into 1 by 2 to the power 4, or we can write simply this is a answer. The first question about probability is that 2 cards are drawn in succession. Find the chance that the first is the king and other is the queen, if the first card is replaced and if the card is not replaced. With the help of this question, I want to explain you how will you find what is the meaning of replacing the card and what is the meaning of not replaced. When the question in which we have it is replaced, it means that card is put back in the pack. Okay, and not replaced, that means card is not put back in the pack. Okay, now we have to draw 2 cards in session. First one is the king and other is the queen. We know that in the pack of 52 cards, there are number of kings we have 4, and similarly number of queens we have 4. Now if first card is replaced, okay, firstly we draw the king. So for that its probability there are 4 kings and we have to track out only 1, and there are 52 cards and we have to take out only 1. This is for the king, okay? And after that we are working for the queen. For the first case, the card is replaced. That means the card which is drawn from the pack, we again put that card into that pack. So again 4 queen are there and we have to take out only 1 card. And similarly 52 cards are there and we have to take out only 1. So this is for the first case, this one. Now for the second case, card is not replaced. That means firstly we have total of 52 cards and we take 1 card out of that, which one in which we have the king. That means there are 4 kings. And here we have 52 cards and we have to take out 1 card. Now when the card is not replaced, that means we have the 4 queens. They are left in the pack. So we have 4c1, but in place of 52, the card is not put back into the pack. We have only left with 51 cards. Okay, so this is the proper method by which we can solve these types of questions, and I think that you can easily solve that answer for that. That is 4 by 52 into 4 by 52, and for this case we have 4 by 52 into 4 by 51. After solving this, you will get the answer.